Everyone, this is just a really quick tutorial on how to use your wedding day welcome sign in Canva. So when you purchase your item, you will have a PDF sent to you with links to the templates. So there's 4 different sizes that you can use. And with this one, so I'm just going to go with the 18 by 24 inch on this one today. Lots of things that you can change on this. So with the colours, you can change the background colour just by selecting the background, and then you'll be presented with this little top bar here. So you just click into background colour, and then you can choose any colour that you like. Yours will look slightly different to mine. And you can also make your own colour. So if you have a hex code, so if you have a particular wedding theme and a colour that you're really wanting to use, if you can find the hex code for it, you can just place it in here and you'll get an exact colour match. You can just sort of drag this around as well if you're unsure what sort of colour to use. And then by clicking out of it, it just sort of saves it to the background. And you can also edit the text. So you can move this text around if you want to and change the fonts and the sizes and the colour of the text and everything else up here as well. Obviously, you can change the names on here, and the only thing that is sort of not editable, if you like, is the word and. So and is actually a PNG because this font here isn't actually included on Canva. So I've just made this as a PNG. You can make this bigger and smaller just by selecting the little side toggles. You also have 2 different colours of the and. So you have the black version and then you also have it in white. So if you wanted to use this in black or white, you can do. There being 4 different colour options, you can then decide which one that you want to use. So you can choose any of my ones, or you, like I say, you can create your own colour and completely customise it to your wedding theme. So if you only just want to use one, what you would do is then you can just delete the rest of the pages that you don't want out of your design. A couple of quick navigation tools. So you've got the zoom bar at the bottom here, so that's really good if you want to get close in with editing. You have the grid view down here as well, so sometimes this is just quite nice just to see the different colours all next to each other, so you can sort of select which one you prefer. Once you've finished editing, you would then go to share, and then you can download your design. So I would suggest downloading as a PNG, and then when it comes to actually printing, so you can print this design at home if you want to, or you can use a professional printing service. So if you're looking for a really good professional printing service, I recommend Prints of Love. So we are actually a partner of Prints of Love. So when you use our discount code, you'll get 10% off your order of $49 or more. Our discount code is Lovaria10. I'll also place it in the description as well with the link. What I would recommend using is the foam board signs. So that's really good for a wedding welcome sign. And then you would click on portrait, and then you have all the different sizes here. That's about it really. So this one's a really quick one that you can do in literally minutes, and then download and print. Once again, just thank you so much for purchasing from Lovaria Design. We are on Etsy, and I will leave the link below to our Etsy shop, and I hope you have the best time planning your wedding.